Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for this day, July 6th. So what is happening on July 6th? That's hard to say. In the Northwest Pacific, Super Typhoon Neoguri. JTWC now calling this thing a super typhoon, and we'll see why in a second. In the United States, 30% chance for severe thunderstorms today and tomorrow, 15% for Tuesday. In Canada, we have watches for severe thunderstorm watches, some severe thunderstorm warnings, severe thunderstorm watches over there. So, this is a big typhoon, super typhoon per the JTWC. This thing is moving ultimately towards Japan, and let's take a look at this. There are several watches and warnings and advisories, in fact, for heavy rain, flood, winds, high waves, thunderstorm. Let's see where the high waves are. So all of these, the reds are the warnings, the yellows are the advisories. So in these, the islands that are out approximately in these areas are already under the warnings for the high waves, unsurprisingly. So yes, there are many things going on. This thing, Super Typhoon Neoguri, has quite a large and well-defined eye. So there's the islands out there that Neoguri is going to basically be moving on top of. Taiwan may see some ill effects. Taiwan let's take a look at the models, in fact. So this is a model of the upper level winds. So Taiwan may get some of the ill effects. Of course, with dangerous, you could have elevated wave heights, even if the storm doesn't clip you at all. South Korea could have some ill effects. And obviously, these islands here are going to be passed right on top of. And ultimately, this Neoguri ending up in Japan. Both of these models, these are two of the available models. They're not the only ones, but both of them basically predicting this type of path with this curvature towards the mainland island of Japan. So Neoguri, super typhoon. This thing is enormous. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. Here's a map showing what's happening at the moment. So these two severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. This special marine warning effect in Canada, if it's still accurate. All the yellows are for... we've got some new warnings. So, severe thunderstorm warnings for these red areas and severe thunderstorm watches in all of these places. Over here, severe thunderstorm watch in effect. So, yes, that's what's happening for the United States in general. Here's the probability map showing the probability of a tornado. 5% chance today. Here's a map showing the probability for 58 mile per hour and greater winds, obviously 30%. 5% obviously going into Canada somewhere on both of these. Hail map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. So two things on this. So as high as a 15% chance for today of the 1 inch or larger hail. In the black hatched area is where the 2 inch or larger hail, there's some favorability or whatnot for 2 inch or larger hail occurring there. 5% again, both these maps presumably stretching into Canada. Tomorrow, 30% chance for severe thunderstorms for this area, 15% for this large section, and then 5% for pretty much the northeast sector of the country, and 5% down there. That is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.